between the state Rajasthan with Nagaland. So without wasting time, let's begin.
First, I invite Sumit and Mayank for area and capital of Rajasthan and Nagaland.
The area of Rajasthan is 3,42,239 km square with its capital Jaipur, also known as Pink City.
Nagaland's area is 16,579 km square with capital Kohima, that is the beauty of Nagaland.
Now for the art project, I would like to invite Yamuna and Sejal. The art form of Rajasthan is miniature painting, which takes you on the complete ride through the cultural heritage of Rajasthan.
Let us celebrate the artistry and talent of Nagaland, that is wood carving, which is around 1200 years old. Now I would like to invite Mahishka and Kanishka for their exotic way of showing dance culture, and after seeing their masterpiece, I am sure you are going to get an idea about their dance steps too.
Ghumar, the heart of all Rajasthanis, is the traditional folk dance of Rajasthan.
Let's have Nagaland's dance, that is Changlo, which they perform to celebrate the war victory.
Moving towards, I invite Siddhi and Shweta to represent the delicacies of Rajasthan and Nagaland. Dal Bati Churma, a meal in Rajasthan is incomplete without this iconic dish.
The mouth-watering food of Nagaland is Samanthu and is loved by all people of Nagaland. Now let me take you to the Suro Ki Duniya. So let's have Khushi and Divyanshi for their music presentation of both the states.
The music of Rajasthan touches several themes like love, war and devotion with two magical instruments, Shehnai and Tabla.
Music is the heart of Nagaland. The music of Nagaland is also related to Ma Saraswati, for its famous musical instrument is Veena, and next one is Bansuri, related to Lord Krishna.
Now, describing the elegancy of both the states through Himanshi and Kashish with their Rajasthan costume. The Ghagra Choli and Dhoti with Angrakha shows the spirit of inhabitants and is going to rend your heart.
Costume of Nagaland helps them distinguish between the other states. The Mechla and the beautiful woven shawl is the cornerstone of Nagaland. In India, festival is a way of describing. Join us celebrating the beauty and diversity, where every dance, song, ritual tells us a story of relations and heritage of Nagaland's and Rajasthan's festival. So let's have Bhumika and Priya on the stage.
Gangaur, the festival observed in the honor of the manifestation of Shakti, that is Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati.
The Hornbill Festival of Nagaland is one of the most important of all, as the tribes of Nagaland marks it as an agricultural festival.
Now, inviting Aman and Chaitanya to represent some famous places which would vigor you to visit them. The majestic state of Rajasthan have incredible destinations such as Kumbhalgarh, Ranthambore National Park and 400 years old City Palace.
So, if you want to visit Nagaland and want to see stunning views of its mountain and valley, by the word valley, I mean Jofu Peak, that is the valley of flowers, and Kohima, which is untouched nature. Last but not the least, we have state bird of both the states, being presented by Abhyuday and Daksh.
The great Indian bustard, all Indian bustard with its height of about 1 meter, is the state bird of Rajasthan.
Captivating display of indigenous art, crafts and performance, all set against the backdrop of magnificent light tech pond, which is a symbol of Nagaland's unique identity and pride.
Thanking and appreciating all my friends for representing their projects. You all might be wondering that what's the aim of this project?
This project given by CBSE is to make the comparison between our state with other states. Every year, CBSE gives this project so we all can